Hello, how are you doing today? Today we are going to review the Panasonic RP-HJE120B. B stands for Bluetooth. I've been a fan of these Panasonic headphones for quite some time, except I've never had the Bluetooth option. So I'm going to try to get this open and we're going to see how they work. Right now they're $25 on Amazon for the blue ones, but if you like red, which I'm not a fan of red, they're $19. So color is no option to you, or you don't care about color is what I meant to say, then get the red. It's cheaper. But if you're like me and you like blue, I open the packaging. Here's the package. So these are the Panasonic headphones that came out of that box, along with a charging device, 3 sizes of earbuds, and instructions. So if you want to charge these headphones, there's a little door here on the microphone volume control and power switch that you plug this right into that little door and then you charge it. The instructions say that there's a 4-hour battery life on these headphones. This is the little battery. So I'm going to put these headphones in and I'm going to pair them with my phone. Let's see, here's my phone. Go to settings and getting connected. I'm looking for the RP-HJE120B. Looks like they're connected. Now it makes a little beep beep whenever it's connected, and let's turn on some music. Da, 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 da. Has pretty nice sound. Got some nice bass. Let's go for a more bass song. That's not really a bass song. Let's go with the 80s song. These headphones are very similar to the other Panasonics. Same ones wired. These are just Bluetooth. They have a nice bass, nice midtones, and hey, it sounds pretty good. These are my first Bluetooth headphones, so I really can't compare them to any other Bluetooth headphones. I can only compare them to other headphones that I own. Sure, they're not as wide range of sound as Bose headphones, but for something this affordable, they're, like I said, they're $25 for the blue and the white right now on Amazon. If you don't care about color, they're $19 for the red. So if you're looking for a nice, affordable set of headphones, this is the way to go for Bluetooth. I'm interested to see how they'll handle a run, because I don't know about this thing bopping up and down, but apparently people do it. So we'll give it a try. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll try to do my best to answer. If you have any experiments you'd like me to try with them, I'll certainly do that. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.